Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good.
So ready?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Still people are joining. So maybe for the first day. So we may take 1 or 2 minutes more. Okay. So one thing I would appreciate, this is the first batch who did homework first before the class. So that was a good gesture. Means while I was in Srinagar itself, I started getting the homework. They were practicing. That's too good. See, that is how you learn maths. When you start loving maths, when you practice maths, when you do it without any fear. So, all those who did, all the best to them. Still, who have not started. So, today I'll give you some tips, and after that, you can start. Right. And the class would be very interactive. You can ask any question you want, but if somebody is asking, don't interrupt. So, one should wait. Once one has finished, second person can ask. Right. So from my side, you are most welcome to ask me any questions today and of course tomorrow. So I'll start from the very beginning. Let people join after that. There are a lot of students who need to join till now. Yes, Hazim, you've raised the hand. Tell me. First, switch on your video. Yes, Hazim. See, if you don't have to speak anything, don't raise your hand, please. So very first thing is, what is Vedic mathematics? What we are talking out today?
Pajama?
You got
Irshad, please don't prompt your kids. Let them. Somebody has clicked. So, shall we start now? No questions? Okay. The word Vedic, see, very important is why we call it as Vedic mathematics. What is Vedic mathematics? There are so many doubts about it. Don't go on the words. I would say understand why Vedic mathematics first. The best feature, it helps to solve your arithmetic calculations 10 to 15 times faster. Can you believe on this? Can you believe you can multiply 40 numbers together in just 40 seconds or 10 numbers in 10 seconds? How many of you can believe? Yes? You have your chat. Yes or no, you can write down. How many of you believe that it improves or it can help you solve calculations 10 to 15 times faster? Okay, 2 only. So we have 17 right now, but only 2 believe. Rest are waiting what others will say, we'll do it accordingly. No issues. I know all of you will agree to it once you learn it. So I'm ready for that. This speed we'll be doing tomorrow, where you'll be multiplying bigger numbers together. Second important thing why Vedic maths is it removes burden. Anyone can tell me what is the biggest burden in any child's life? Yes? Please rename Firdos sir Botany. Rename yourself. I don't think your name is Firdos sir.
Actually, this is my father's account,
I
sir.
agree. I agree, beta. I don't say no. You can just rename, or you can tell me. Yes, what is the burden in any child's life? Yes, Solia? Azim? Anyone? Nawadishta? Munaza? Zioni? Shivani? Tell me.
That's the subject maths.
Maths is the biggest burden. I agree to that. And what in maths? What particularly in maths?
Problems.
Problems, that's true. What starts? Where do we start problems in maths? Where do we start finding maths as difficult? And a small joke, a small thing. It's not only you face this problem, even your parents. If you ask them, they have this burden.
It is interesting.
Yes, maths is interesting if you understand it. But what is the most the topic which we feel burden of? So that is multiplication tables. If you remember all those who visited in Srinagar Book Festival, I think there is some network issue. Just hold on. I'll change the network. I'm just changing the network. Just be online for 1 minute. I think now we'll be able to. Due to heavy rainfalls, everywhere network is a issue. Yes. So the burden of tables, that is the biggest burden in any child's life. And even when I talk about parents, because at our time, we used to get physical punishments also, which you have never seen now. Third, it reduces scratch work. Now, what do you mean by scratch work? It means rough work. We can do so many calculations mentally. We don't need a paper or a pen. So that is why we call it as it reduces scratch work, and as well as finger counting. Now, finger counting is all those who do abacus. So they have the habit of doing like this. Here, that entire thing is reduced, or you can say removed. Yes, you have raised hand.
Sir, but in our school where I study, they say like working is important. When you solve a question, please do your working for exams to get marks.
Now, you are correct. To get marks, you have to follow some steps. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But are you correct or not? How will you find that then?
We're correct,
You get
but
you are scoring 100% every time.
yes, sir.
That's very good. If you are scoring 100%, when I'll come to the topic, I'll ask you one simple question. How do you check your answers? What is 26 plus 24 is 50.
Yes, sir.
26 plus 24 is 50.
Yes, sir.
How will you check this answer?
So I check this answer, writing this question, and when I'm done with working, I check the working again so that I can see is this
That
I
is
have
not
an
check. That is not
person.
check. That is not checking. That is redoing.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
wait for some time. I will talk about that topic also today. But yes, your concern is correct. You have to follow steps. But what is the focus? The focus is only on your school classes, or the focus is on the knowledge. Focus is on the brain development. Focus is on the mental calculation. What is your aim? You just
so
want to. Now, I'll give you the path. Let's say you are in third standard or sixth standard. You have to shift to one school to the another. I'm
yes,
just
sir.
giving you three different examples. When you're shifting to the other school will take your entrance test. An individual student is going. There they won't ask you detailed questions. They'll give you MCQs because they have to test your knowledge. So where will be the steps going?
Hmm.
Second, when you appear for any NTSC Olympiads, any kind of scholarship exam, what type of questions we are getting? Are we
MCQ.
getting, sorry?
We're getting MCQs in there.
So then what will you do?
Sir,
Again, you'll write all the steps. See,
sir.
just Yasin, just hold on for a while. Then the third instance would be after your school completion, you'll appear for number of entrance examinations. Will they ask you again the steps? See,
Yes, sir.
why steps are asked? Because this is how our structure was framed. You know, we everybody needs a dare to change. So that is what we are following. But at the same time, understand what our aim should be. It is not on the cramming part, it is not on the only completion of the work, but on knowledge also. And how the same problem can be solved in different ways. So I'll give you all those things. So still after that, after the session, if you have the same doubt, then we can talk about. Right.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, Yasin, now tell me.
Sir, to check any addition question, we can use a digital route for any
Yeah,
multiplication or addition ones.
yes. Great. You did it. You came to the stall, you learned it, and then I think you have the book. So good. Keep it up. See, that is
Thank you,
what
sir.
we will do that. Right. Fourth point. Now, fourth is which every parent has a complaint regarding you. What is the complaint? You don't focus. You don't pay attention. You don't concentrate. And the same complaint your teacher has with your parents. Ma'am, your child is not focusing in the class, not able to pay concentration. My simple question with both of them. with the parents, with the teachers. I always ask them one thing: have you taught how to concentrate, how to focus? Is there any mechanism how to focus, how to pay attention? Don't talk about meditations and all. As a student's life, do we have something which can enhance concentration? So, yes. And to, you know, support my point, do students need focusing in games, in other activities? No. Why? Because they find interesting. They find them of their own interest. So if education is also interesting, if maths is also interesting, you'll focus on that and you'll learn. So in these 2 days only, you'll be starting learning how to find this subject interesting. And that was the first just thanks I gave, that all those who came to the stall, they all did their homework. Why they did homework? Why did they practice? Was there anything told to them? No, it was because they felt good. So once you start feeling good with maths, you'll do it. Got it? So fourth was, it enhances concentration. Fifth point. See, these are not only the 5 points I'll be raising, but these are very important. It reduces silly mistakes. What are silly mistakes in maths? Multiple carryovers. You have to multiply two numbers. I'll give you one example. 999 into 999. Now, in every line, first thing you have to multiply 3 times. Second, you have to add. Every time you'll be getting carryover of 8. This goes. And if you ask in Vedic maths, 999 into 999 is 998001. Finish. That is what you can say enhances speed. That is what you can say it reduces silly mistakes. So two common silly mistakes in mathematics are, one is multiple carryovers and second is the borrow. In subtraction, a very simple question arises: 100 minus something. Why, when we borrow something, it becomes 9 and then it becomes 10? There is always a confusion among the kids. And the best part is, in Vedic maths, we don't have this. There is no borrow at all in maths, Vedic maths. So same questions, what you are doing with burden in maths, here you can solve with ease, sometimes mentally. So, what's your name, beta?
My name is Aisha.
Aisha. So, see, till 10th, I suppose, till ninth, you have to follow, you have to write down steps. I will not say don't write, continue with what you are doing. But at the same time, if you can mentally check the answer, that would be additional advantage. That will give you confidence. Yes, I am correct. So Vedic maths will give you that confidence, right? So we started with the topic, why Vedic mathematics. I think you might be clear by now. 5 points I have raised. First, it helps to solve your arithmetic calculations 10 to 15 times faster. You will realize this. Second, removal of burden of tables. Yes, every table can be written in just 10 to 15 seconds. Third, it reduces scratch work, means no rough work is required. You can solve the calculations mentally. Fifth, enhances concentration because you'll start loving this subject and that improves your liking, and liking will lead to doing it again and again, and that improves your concentration or focus or paying attention. Last but not the least, it reduces silly mistakes. So multiple carryovers or the borrows, they are reduced to a large extent. Now comes the question, what is Vedic mathematics? So I'll not give you the technical definition, this, that. I'll give you very simple thing. Vedic maths is what makes your maths simple, easy, and faster. So, in very simple words, Vedic maths is what makes your mathematics simple, easy, and faster. And if you ask me, give one word answer, so I would say magical. Correct. So, from this, let's move. I'll just give a one minute theory more. I'll tell you because you should know who gave us this subject, who is known as father of Vedic mathematics. So, Vedic mathematics, father of Vedic mathematics, he is known as Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath ji. Right. So he was a Shankaracharya from Jagannath Puri, that is in Odisha. This much you should know. I don't think more is required. Now, yes, any questions till now? Anyone who has, yes, Yasin.
Sir, can you repeat again?
What I have to repeat, sir?
The thing you said right now.
I said,
Shankaracharya, that one.
so father of Vedic mathematics is Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath. He was a Shankaracharya, a holy piece, we call it as. Like you have in Jagannath, sorry, Srinagar, we have one Shankarapit, right? Near Dal Lake, above that. So similarly, one Shankarapit is in Jagannath Puri, Odisha. So he was a Shankaracharya over there. Correct?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now, there is a basic question. Why do we have fear of maths? Yes, आयशा आयशा वीडियो ऑफ कर लो, ऐसे अच्छा लगता है खाते हुए. बड़े हो आप सबसे, बाकी बच्चे हैं. यस, नवादिष्टा, मुंजा, ओवेस. Why do we have fear of maths basically? हमें मैथ से डर क्यों लगता है? Yes, tell me. Ziomi, Hazim.
We fear numbers.
Sorry,
We fear numbers.
you fear numbers. Why do we fear numbers? Pratiksha.
Because I cannot remember
Okay.
big numbers.
Okay. So that is the reason why you have fear of maths.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Mohammed Qureshi.
Yes, sir. Sir, we fear maths because of sir long calculation and sir so many formula and sir maths is a little bit trickier than other subjects, I can say.
What if I say it is not tricky? It is, we never try to understand it. See, in life, whenever you do something new, whenever, don't you find how it will be? There are so many questions with you. Or let's say, very simple way. For the first time, you are traveling to some place. So you have so many questions in your brain. How it would be, how will be the way, how we will reach, how this, how that. But once you reach there, on return, all your queries are solved. And you'll feel we reached back in less time. It is always the same. Your inward journey is always it, you feel it longer, and when you come back, you feel it was shorter, though the time is almost same. Because whenever we start with something new, it should be interesting. That's very important thing. And unfortunately, maths has been taken as a fear factor, as a havoc, as a stress. And this has been induced in our minds. Before maths class, everyone starts saying, be alert, maths teacher is coming. Maths is this, maths is that. So that havoc, that stress has been created. Like there is nothing without maths. Of course, there is nothing without maths, but we could have taught in a way, let's enjoy this subject because this will make things easy for us. So that is what Vedic maths helps you out. What is Vedic maths? It is a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence in maths. So are you ready for the journey from fear to confidence? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Second thing, it,
Yes, sir.
it gives
Yes, sir.
you it gives you the feeling, yes, I can.
अब आप सीधे बैठो चार्ट पुट करके फिर सर आपको देख पाएंगे ध्यान देना सामने
कोई बात नहीं मैम, आप पीछे, कोई बात नहीं. Second thing, it gives you the feeling, yes, I can. अगर आपको ये लग जाए, if you start feeling, yes, I can do this, can anyone stop you? See, it
No.
is all our feel.
No.
That is what we need to gain. And the third thing is to do things in a different way. So that is what I was telling to Aisha. It's not only solving the questions in one class, but understanding it. When you solve it mentally, that means you have understood the things. Brain will solve then only, na? So the biggest problem in maths is we are not sure whether we are correct. Somebody said it is tricky than other subjects. You know why it is tricky? Because in all other exams, you write whatever you can. If it is history, you start writing any theory, any story. If it is something else, you start writing something. But you don't understand what to write in maths if you're not getting the things. So you say it is tricky. Got it? So how to make that things easy? Now the first point was what I asked her a question. 26 plus 24 is 50. Can you check this answer out? Yes. How many of you can check this answer?
It is correct.
How?
Because 6 plus 4 is 10 and 20 plus 20 is equals to 40
Mm-hmm.
and then the answer is 50.
See, this was a very simple question. Maybe next time I can increase the numbers or change the numbers.
Sir, by using digital rules.
What you said, that is correct. You have done in the
Sir, this one is correct.
This is just a small example. I want you to check this answer. So how will you check that? I want to understand. What you told, that was how you solved it. See, there is a difference between check and do.
Sir, carryovers.
That is correct, beta. You do with carryovers. Yes, Munaza, you have raised hand. Mohammed Qureshi, you have raised hand. See, I will not ask if your video is off and you are raising hands.
Sir, by using digital route.
Perfect. So most of you have read the first topic of the book. Yes, Shivani, what's your name, beta?
Jibrail.
बोलो.
सर हम इसका डिजिटल रूट निकालेंगे. सर 6 + 2 = 8. 4 + 2. सर पहले हम इन टॉप जो दो नंबर 26 + 24. सर हम 6 और 2 को ऐड करेंगे और 4 और 2 को ऐड करेंगे. इसे हमें
अरे
इन दोनों को digital root
मुनाजा
मिलेगा.
मुनाजा स्कूल में डिजिटल रूट कराते हैं,
हाँ सर.
फिर तब कैसे करते थे? मेरी
तो क्या
बात
रही होगा.
समझे. आपने बुक चेक कर ली है, आपको आ गया, वेरी गुड. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, few days back, what was the problem? The problem was, I'm not saying you were doing it wrong. Maybe you were scoring 100%. Maybe you were doing the best. But the problem was, you were never sure that you are correct or not. You were always referring to your teacher, your parents, calculator, answer key, और आज की डेट में everybody has got AI. So you check the answers with AI also. Because you were not confident. But the problem arises, these all are available in your classroom. These are available at your home. But when you are in exam hall, these all are missing. So that time you started losing confidence. You get confused. And the question was always, is this a answer? That was always your concern. And in every maths exam, see, we get a rough sheet, or very few schools, they ask to make a rough column. And the teacher says, check your answers, verify your answers before giving or before submitting the paper. Did anyone taught you how to check? Their idea was just to redo the things. But redo never solves the purpose. Redo, you can have so many errors. So this we have to change today. From is this answer, from today onwards, you will never ask anyone, is this answer? You will say, this is a answer. Means from is this answer to this is answer. What is the difference? This is a question and this is your confidence. So from today, we'll make a habit. When even I'll be giving you questions, don't ask me, is this answer? Sir, is this answer? No. You have to say, this is answer. And slowly and steadily, you will add to this, and it is correct. So what will happen? You'll start getting confidence. When you'll never be wrong in life, in maths at least. So that will increase your confidence. Correct? So this is what we are going to start today. Yes, Yasin, what happened?
Sir, there is another version of addition. In this, you have to go to the nearest tens. Example, take 26 plus 24. Make 24 30 and cut off 4 from 20. That becomes 20, and 30 plus 20 is easier because adding tens is the easiest way in addition.
Perfect. That we call it as whole method of addition. You're talking about addition. For multiplication, you'll again, if I ask you 33, so you will make 30 plus 3 and multiply with something. Correct. So every time you'll be breaking up. That can ease your solutions. But how will you check them again? Point is same. What you are telling is correct. That is to do the things. But a simple question, we cannot go ahead now. We'll do, you'll understand. So today we'll start with a topic called digit sum. Yes, from the name itself, what do you understand? Digit sum. Tell me.
Sir, it we need to add the digits to check our answers if they're right or wrong.
Actually, you have done it. So go step by step. I'm asking you the meaning of digit sum. I totally understand that you have done it. Yes, Aisha, have you done?
Yes, sir.
So what is digit sum? How will you define it?
So the digit sum, you can say like there are digits in a number. When you add those numbers from that digit, we call that digit sum.
Perfect. So digit sum is sum of the digits of any number.
Yes.
Sum of digits of any number. Now the question arises here also. A number could be single digit. A number could be 2 digit. A number could be 3 digit. Got it? Number itself can have so many digits. So when we talk about single digit, let's say 1, 2,
So there is no digital
5,
root in that.
6, 8, 9. So what is the digit sum of these numbers?
Sir, there's no way of getting a digital root of those numbers.
Why?
Sir, because they're single numbers and they don't have a number after them or
So, as
before
per
them.
you, there should not be a digital sum.
Sorry?
So the number can be itself the digit
That's
sum.
all. See, if it is, what do you mean by digit sum? Means sum of the digits. If there is only single digit, the the same number, the same digit represents digit sum. So the digit sum is also the same. But we cannot say it is not there. See, the correct word is if it is a single digit number, the same refers to the digit sum. Now coming to the double digit, 10. Now we have to add. So 1 plus 0, 1. 14. 1 plus 4, 5. 19.
Yeah.
1 plus 9, 10. But no, this is not digit sum.
Sir, now you have to
Again,
add 1 plus 0.
correct. So again 1 plus 0 becomes 1.
1.
उसको भेज दिया. So that means 2 points here you need to understand. First definition was digit sum is a sum of digits of any number. This was the first definition. Second, digit sum is always a single digit number between 1 to 9. So write down these 2 points. First point was digit sum is the sum of digits of any number. And the second is digit sum is always a single digit number between 1 to 9. Done up till here?
9 पे लिखो.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Up till here, any questions you have? Tell me. Yes, any questions up till here? Now, let's check it out. Let's do it. Some practice. You have to answer very fast, either verbally or on chat. So what is the digit sum of 79? Fast. Yes, Aisha, Shivani, Munza.
Sir, sorry.
What is the digit sum of 79?
7. 7.
So 7 plus 9, 16. 16 means again 7. Correct. What is the digit sum of 31?
31 को कैसे
4.
करेंगे? 3 plus 2.
4.
शिवानी, आप प्लीज बस करो. ऐसे तो
जी,
क्लास
सर.
डिस्टर्ब हो रही है. स्कूल आप साथ जाते हैं
Sir, I'm
बच्चे
not
के?
disturbing the class. Basically,
नहीं, मैं आपको म्यूट कर देता हूँ. आप समझ ही
sir,
नहीं
actually,
रहे.
he is only. Excuse me, sir. Actually, he is in just first class. He's not able to understand. I'm
कोई
helping
बात
him
नहीं
also.
मैम, कोई बात
I'm
नहीं.
muting myself, sir.
What is digit sum of 42?
6.
6.
What is 4 plus 2?
6.
$63.
9.
Sir, 0.
Sir,
Sir,
9.
0.
9. Sir, 9.
9, sir.
Sir, 0.
Sir, 9, sir. Sir, 9.
65.
9.
Sir, 0.
Count 11, sir.
11, sir.
11 means? So
Sir,
that means
0.
that
1 plus
11 minus 2.
correct. So you will not say 11. Please understand this line. Digit sum is always a single digit number between 1 to 9. So if it is 6 plus 65 means 11. That
Yes,
means
that's-
further 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's 0. Sum of
77.
5.
5.
85.
4.
4.
49.
Sir, 4.
Very good.
4.
Now let's start with some 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3. Let's say this is a number. So again, 1 plus 2 plus 3 means 6. If it is 129, so that means 12. 12 means
Sir, 3.
perfect. Now you understood? Is this clear or not now?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So 265.
Sir, go.
Yes, speak up.
Sir, we
3.
don't understand what are you saying.
Can you switch on your, can you raise your hand?
Sir, 3.
Yeah, please raise your hand. I am not able to understand who is asking.
Sir, I am asking. Sir,
Yes,
265.
yes, यासिन क्या?
Sir,
यासिन
3.
यस यासिन क्या नहीं समझ आया बेटा?
Sir, I got the answer 3.
Sir, we have doubt.
आपका
Sir?
नाम बेटा raise your hand. I am not able to understand who is asking.
Sir, I am. Sir, we are new.
न्यू हो तो हाथ तो रेज कर लो. वीडियो ऑफ है.
क्या है?
अरे फोटो में नहीं, उसमें जूम में होता है ना.
सर, जो चिनार बुक फेस्टिवल में थी.
सिर पकड़ लिया. क्या नाम है बेटा आपका?
तलत फातिमा.
दलित फातिमा कहाँ है आपका? नाम तो नहीं आ रहा.
सर, मेरा भी पूछना है.
वीडियो ऑन करो आप अपना.
वीडियो ऑन करो.
ये सैमसंग है आपका? सैमसंग SM.
यस सर. चाचू या तो चेक क्लिक करो.
सर
जी.
अगर हम मात्र बता देते सिस्टम को डिक्लेरेशन देते.
सर, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
समझ कहाँ? वायर डिड नॉट यू अंडरस्टूड. वही बताओ. क्या है?
ये मार जिंदा. ये मार से लड़ाई
पहले
कर.
सारे कॉन्फ्रेंस कर लो सब आपस में. क्या करनी है बात फिर करते हैं. बोलिए.
हेलो सर.
Can we start again?
Yes, sir.
So what is 265?
4.
What
4,
is
sir.
324?
4. Sir, 9 or 0?
9.
9.
Sir, 0.
Okay. Just give me 1 second.
9, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
beta.
Sir,
What
0.
is 399?
Sir, 3.
4.
Sir, 3.
Sir, 3.
Who
Sir,
said
3.
4?
Sir, 4, sir. 6.
Sir, 3.
6.
Sir, 3.
Sir, 3.
Who said 6?
Sir, yes, I said.
Can you tell me how, beta?
Because if we plus 9 plus 9, it is 18, and 18. What was the question?
Let's leave it. What is 6454?
6454. Sir, 1.
Yes.
Sir,
who said
1.
How?
Sir, the question was 6454. We can add 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 5, 19. 9 plus 1, 10, and 1 plus 0 is 1.
Yasin, you're overlooking. I have written 654, beta.
654.
Sir, 6.
And sir, it's 6.
Please, I understand you understood the concept, but you have to focus also, na? 725.
Sir, 5.
5.
5.
5.
Sir, 5. Sir, 5.
1. Okay, now 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, 1.
Sir, 1.
1, 1.
Sir,
1, 1.
Sir, 19.
1. The answer is 1.
Okay.
Sir, 1, sir.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Sir, 2.
2. Sir, 2.
Sir, 2. 2. 2.
6, 5, 6, 4.
Sir, 1.
How 1, Yasin? Yes,
Sir,
others?
6, 5.
3.
David,
Sir, 3.
wait.
Sir,
See,
3.
first understand everyone. What is 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4? So 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. Yes or no? So 21
Yes, sir.
means 3 or not? See, such a simple thing we are learning. If you're not understanding this, you have to ask yourself, why? 4, 3, 1, 9, 6. Tell me.
Sir, 7.
Sir, I think it's 5. 5. Sir, 5. Sir,
5. No, 6. 5.
Sir, 5.
The answer is 5.
6, 5, 6, 4, 3.
Sir, it's 6.
Done?
6.
Sir,
The
6.
answer is 6.
Sir, 6.
1, 4, 8, 4, 7.
First, sir, 6. 6. 6, sir.
Now, I'll give you one thing more easy. What is digit sum of 19?
Sir, one.
What is digit sum of 39?
Three.
Three.
What is digit sum of 99?
Sir, 9.
Nine.
What
Nine.
is
Zero.
digit sum of
Five.
991?
Sir, one. Sir, 1.
What is digit sum of 541?
Sir, 1.
What is digit sum of 722?
Two.
Now understand.
Two.
See, whenever, this is very important thing. Yes,
I have a doubt, sir.
please.
Sir, you have given 9 and 1, no, sir? Sir, we can at least cancel the 9s. The answer would be same.
Where is
the
a
nine.
doubt? You're saying you have a doubt. Where is a doubt?
Sir, I mean, we can also, means if we are solving a problem or rechecking it, we can cancel the 9s, no, sir?
Okay. So, let me explain first to everyone. You're doing good. It is not cancel. Correct. Because, so give me 1 minute. After that, see now here, what we have been doing, we were adding 1 plus 9, 10, and then. But remember one thing, whenever you see 9, just ignore it. So answer was right in the beginning. Ignore this. Answer was there. But when I say ignore, don't ignore both and say 0. That is what your meaning was, cancel 9. So it is not cancelling, it is ignoring so that you get the answer. Correct. Now, here we are not supposed to ignore both. You can ignore 1 9 so that you have the answer in your hand, 9. Here, because we have third number, I'm ignoring both the 9s. Answer is 1. So instead of 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 is equal to 10, 10 is equal to 1. My simple point was ignore 9s, I have answered this. So within 1 second, within the fraction of second, I got the answer. Here it is 5, 4, 1. Now we should know that 5 and 4 make 9. So I can ignore this. Here 7, 2 make 9. So I ignore this. Answer was 1. Answer was 2. See, you can add also. But this is a property of 9. If you remember the table of 9, what are the multiples? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. If you add all these numbers, both numbers, then also it was 9. So it can be ignored. Now, when you are ignoring, do you know what you are doing? You are observing that number first. How can you ignore number without watching it, without looking at it, without focusing at it? Can you ignore anything without noticing it? Tell me.
No, sir.
So that means you're putting a pressure, burden on your brain, or you are trying to first look at least. And that looking, that is called as what you can say focusing, which later leads. So this was the first step towards, you can also say it as visualization. Or observing. See, till now in maths, what was your work? Suppose I gave you 2 plus 2 also, you'll start looking for paper and pen and you'll write down 2 plus 2, then you'll say 4 to me. But this way, you started ignoring 9. Means you observed the number, then only you were ignoring 9. So that means you started observing the numbers. That means you started visualization. And this is what is Vedic mathematics. Visualization, reasoning, and logics. VRL. So this VRL is a life-changing process. Sohila, either focus. So VRL is life-changing process where you concentrate, you focus, you pay attention, and that will leads to concentration increase also. Right? See, the problem with all of us is we have stopped imagining the numbers. We have stopped doing the calculations mentally. We are focused only on writing paper, paper, paper. But this is the first step when you start visualizing the numbers. Is this clear now? Now, again, we'll see the numbers again. Now, this was a number 4, 3, 1, 9, 6. See, immediately I can ignore this 9. I can ignore 6 and 3. Yes or no? This can be ignored. This can be ignored. This. So answer is correct, 5. So my speed will at least increase 2 times. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 2. You don't have to look how many 9s. Finish it off. Answer is 2. Otherwise, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 45 plus 2, 47. 47 means 11. 11 means 2. So instead of that, if I say all 9's gone and 2 is the answer. Got it? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we will. So this is what you have to write. Okay. What is the answer? 2070.
Sir, 1.
Sir, 9.
Sir, 0.
Sir, it's
9. 9, sir, sorry.
Sometimes 1, sometimes 0, sometimes 9. I told you very first thing. It is ignore, not removal. Digit sum is between 1 to 9. This is 2 plus 7, 9. How it is 1? Or how it is 0? You cannot. See, that is the reason I said in 99, ignore 1 9. I don't say remove both the 9s. So please understand, it has to be only single digit. 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Yes, what is the digit sum?
Sir, 6.
6.
Very good. So easily gone. So 2, 1, 3. That is what improves. 6, 7, 6, 4, 2, 3. Fast. Just observe. Focus.
Sir, 4.
Sir, 3.
How 3?
Sir, it's 4.
Yes, Ashima. How 3?
So if we cancel like 7 and 2, then we cancel 6 and 4, then remaining is 3.
6 and 4 is 10 or 9?
Oh, sorry, it's 9.
Got it. So 7 correct, 2 correct, 6 and 3 gone. 4. See, focus. That is what I said. Focus. If you'll focus, your answer would be faster. Otherwise, you have the other way. 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 23, 2 means 4. But that is a long process. Why to waste your energy in that? If ignoring can help you to solve the answer very easily, 90341. Fast.
Sir, 8.
Very good. 18672 3.
Sir, 9.
Got it. So if you observe 2, this gone, so 8 and 1 9. Any one you can keep. Correct. Now this has enhanced, this has increased your speed. And moreover, try understands this simple logic. Maths will be fast if you observe. Don't just, if madam writes something on the board, don't just write down in your paper. First observe the numbers, look at the numbers. Maybe you get the answer verbally, but for that observation is important. Okay, since we were ignoring 9, this is also called as Nama Shesh. So Nama Shesh means 9 remaining, right? So digit sum, second name is Nama Shesh, third name is Bij Ank. Bijank, we generally say. Bij Ank. And one more important name, digital root. Now this is clear. Namashesh, Bijank, digital root, and digit sum. These are the 4 names which you can say. Any questions you have?
No, sir.
Clear?
Sir, I can't understand how to remove numbers, sir.
What remove? Okay, if it is 7 to 1. Now 7 and 2 makes 9.